Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Zambia's President Hakainde Hichilema will lead the United Party for National Development UPND into Zambia's 2026 general elections after emerging as the only nominee during the party's internal selection. The UPND General Assembly issued an official declaration confirming the outcome, which was signed off by Returning Officer Isaac Mwanza. According to the document, the window for nominations closed on April 12, 2026, and Hichilema was the only person who submitted valid papers for the presidency. No other party members entered the race. The certification noted that the process followed UPND's constitution and internal election rules. Under those guidelines, when there is only one qualifying candidate, that person is considered elected unopposed. This means Hichilema now heads into the 2026 elections as the party's uncontested flag bearer. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.